Hello, welcome to your speaking test today for Unit 7 to 9 for PIPA and POP. So I am teacher Maggie. Okay, are you ready with your speaking test today? Yes, all right. So Jacob, let's start your speaking test. But can you introduce yourself first? What is your name? Mine? Mine is Jacob. How old are you, Jacob? I'm I'm 5 years old. Again, I'm 5 years old. Very good. Where are you from? I I'm from. Very good. How are you today? Are you happy or sad today? So can you say I'm I'm happy today. One more time. I'm happy today. Very good, Jacob. Let's start your speaking test. Look at the screen, look at the picture. What is this? It's trousers. Okay, one more time. Trousers. One more time. It's a trousers. Okay, good job, Jacob. Look at the screen. What can you see? It's again. It's hat. It's a hat. Very good, Jacob. What's this? What's this? It it's jacket. Again, it's a jacket. Okay, look at the screen. Focus. What is this, Jacob? It's t t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. Okay, look, Jacob. Look at the screen. Where is the dress? Where's the dress? Click your answer. Where's the dress? Okay, what's that again? It's dress. Okay, Jacob. Where's the hat? Click your answer. Where's the hat? Click your answer. Where's the hat? Jacob, where's the hat? Click your answer. Okay, what's that again? It, it's very good, Jacob. What's this? Very good, Jacob. It's very good, Jacob. Where is ride a bike? Okay, very good, Jacob. And what's this? What's the color? Very good. Nice. And this is? Very good, Jacob. This is? Oh, blue? Blue bird. Bird. Yes, one more time. It's? Okay, sit nicely. And Jacob, look at the screen. Where's the worm? Yeah. Oh, worm. Okay, good job, Jacob. You did a great job on your speaking test. So that's the end of your speaking test today. So, but before we end your speaking test, can you say goodbye? Yes, okay, very good, Jacob.